What's up, guys? So I'm all packed up, ready to get out there and fly, and I noticed that the TPU that holds on my VTX antenna is getting a little worn, so I printed myself out a couple of new ones. I'm printing them out with a extrusion factor of 105% at a 15mm layer height to get them extra firm, a little bit more taut, but still have a little bit of play in them, so in case my antenna takes a hit, it won't rip off the SMA connector or anything like that. All right, I'm gonna get those installed. I'm gonna get out there and fly. Oh, also, one other exciting thing is I got brand new shoes on my Freestyle quad. These are the Hyperlite V4 2206 2522 KVs. They're just freaking beautiful, blue and purple with the rest of this purple. I'm pretty excited. I just gotta get rid of these like milky blue props. Anywho, then I can go all purple. All right, guys, see you out there. So for my first stop, I came to a little marina in South San Francisco. It's one of my favorite spots on the weekends to fly because usually there's no one here, and it's got this about 5 different styles of flying areas in this one little office park. Behind me is one of my favorite areas. It's just a bunch of skinny trees with leaves at the very top, and let's get out there and rip.
Broken memories resurface every now and then. I'm a daydreamer, blinded by the light. Head against the speaker, I'll rise again tonight. I'm a daydreamer, 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 daydreamer. Rise again tonight. Knots are faded, and this nights I stayed up, waited for you to change your mind. But all that time was wasted. I wish I would have faced it, but I can say I tried. Looking back, I never thought I'd see this place again. Broken memories resurface every now and then. I'm a daydreamer, blinded by the light. Head against the speaker, I'll rise again tonight. I'll rise again.